By combining three powerful disciplines, this YouTube channel has come up with an amazing formula that has produced truly extraordinary results. They've only been around for about a month, and in that short time, they've been posting a new video every day without a break. The result? Over 232,000 subscribers in just a few weeks. But what sets this channel apart from the rest is not just the number of followers. Their videos are incredibly viewed. For example, a video that was posted just a day ago has over 100,000 views. Another video that was uploaded about a week and a half ago now has nearly 2 million views. These numbers aren't just a coincidence, they're the result of a clever and innovative strategy. But what exactly does this channel do? They've created their content with a unique blend of history, viral perspective, and comfortable storytelling. The result? Videos that take the viewer on a mental journey back in time with gentle, calm narrations and a hypnotic sound that, along with ambient sound effects, create a unique atmosphere for sleep and relaxation. Interestingly, these videos are usually more than 2 hours long, which not only provides a deeper experience for the viewer, but also will bring more advertising revenue to the creator. The good news is that producing such content is neither difficult nor expensive. Using free AI tools, these videos can be produced in less than an hour. So whether you see YouTube as a side job or want to turn it into your main career path, this field could be the golden opportunity you have always been looking for. Previous continue video. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, so let's go. Now it's time for the practical step. Just log into ChatGPT and simply ask it to generate high-quality, accurate prompts for you, just like the ones you've seen in this channel's successful videos. For example, just write, "I want to make videos like this. Please create 40 high-quality visual prompts with accurate historical settings," and send ChatGPT a photo of each channel you're interested in. In less than a few moments, ChatGPT will generate a complete set of prompts for you, each with precise details, a real historical setting, and suitable for producing images that can tell a story like a living painting. This means you can easily create content that is both visually appealing and completely engaging and noticeable to YouTube's algorithm. Now it's time to head over to Aies AI. This is one of the best and most powerful sites I've ever worked with. Honestly, this site is a masterpiece. Just try it once and see for yourself what tools it offers. Signing up is easy, with just a few clicks. After that, you'll be entering a world of AI tools that can help you be much faster, more professional, and more creative. I've also included the link to the site in the video description for easy access. AIEs can save you hours of time and take the quality of your videos and content to the next level. Okay, let's get to the rest of the tutorial. Now that you've successfully registered, you'll be taken to a professional and user-friendly dashboard. From here, the next step is simple. Click on the AI Image Generator option. Then head over to ChatGPT, where you'll find your prompts already prepared. Copy one of the prompts and paste it into the appropriate section in AIEs. Next, choose the image size you want. You can choose different sizes for video or social media. Next, you'll need to specify whether you want to generate one image from that prompt or 4 different images. Now it's time to choose the style. In this section, you have a lot of options, from historical and realistic styles to fantasy, digital painting, and even classic and modern styles. Choose one that fits the atmosphere of your story and content. Finally, click the Generate button. In just a few moments, an image of extraordinary quality and precise detail will appear in front of you. Repeat the same with the rest of the prompts that ChatGPT has prepared for you. I entered all 40 of these prompts myself, one by one, and the images produced were exactly what I had in mind. I really have to say that this site is amazing. A combination of simplicity, power, and professional results. Now it's time for the voiceover. Log into ElevenLabs. After logging in, simply copy the script you previously prepared with the help of ChatGPT and paste it into the text section. Now it's time to choose a voice of your choice. ElevenLabs offers a collection of natural, professional, and customizable voices, from male and female voices to calm, exciting, or narrative tones. After selecting a voice, just click the Regenerate Speech button. Within seconds, a smooth, natural, and professional voice will be generated according to your script, ready to use in your video. Now we've reached the final stage where all your hard work will be transformed into a visually appealing, professional-looking video. It's time to jump into the popular and powerful CapCut app, an app that's a great choice for both beginners and professional content creators, thanks to its simple interface and highly advanced features. After opening the app, create a new project. Now it's time to import all the photos you've created with AIEs, as well as the audio file you created in ElevenLabs. These 2 elements will be the backbone of your content. Next step, arrange the photos in the timeline. Drag and drop the photos one by one into the timeline window. Be sure to follow a narrative order, meaning the photos should flow from beginning to end like a visual narrative. This will give the video a cohesive and orderly narrative. To create a more natural flow and continuity between images, use transitions. CapCut has dozens of attractive transitions, from fades to camera movements or sliders. Using transitions correctly will make the viewer feel like they are not just seeing a series of images. They will feel like a living story is unfolding. Don't worry if you notice that some of the images are very similar in color or lighting and are creating a monotony. Using color adjustments such as brightness, contrast, temperature, or saturation, you can give each image a unique look and add visual variety and depth to the overall video. Now it's time for professional sound editing. The audio file you downloaded from 11 Labs should be inserted into the timeline in a way that perfectly matches the order of the images. Listen to the audio and make sure the narration is in sync with the image. You can cut out parts of the audio or make precise timing adjustments to make everything look smooth and seamless. To further enhance the quality of your video, you can now use visual effects such as fire, smoke, sunlight, or particles. CapCut offers you a variety of effects with just one click. These effects will bring your photos to life and make the atmosphere more realistic, engaging, and even cinematic. If you want to take your video to the next level, you can give some of the photos an animated transition. For example, a photo can zoom in or out, or the image can fade out and give way to the next image. These techniques will make the final video look very smooth and professional. Finally, once everything is ready, from photos and voiceover to effects and animations, it's time to export. Be sure to save your video in high quality, like 1080p or 4K, so it looks professional and ready to be shared on YouTube or any other platform. Congratulations! You've now created a full-fledged video that's not only powerful in content, but also looks professional and eye-catching. If you are interested in AI tools and want to do your daily tasks faster, smarter, and easier, I highly recommend you give Aies a try. I have included a direct link to this tool in the description of this video, and you can also find it in the pinned comment. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for stopping by. Until the next video, good luck and stay safe.
Welcome. Tonight we are going to talk about food. But not just any food. Not fine French pastries. Not polished silver service or crystal glasses. Number tonight, we travel far west, to dry plains and dusty towns, to creaky porches and flickering lanterns. We are going to the Wild West, to its saloons, and more importantly, to the food that was served in them. Because even cowboys needed to eat, and even the toughest outlaw eventually got hungry. When you think of saloons, you might imagine swinging doors, poker chips clinking, a piano playing slightly out of tune, and whiskey being poured by the gallon. But saloons were more than just watering holes. They were gathering places, shelters, homes away from home, and often, they were the only source of hot food for 100 miles. The food was rarely elegant, sometimes questionable, often improvised, but it was food, it was warm, and it got the job done. The typical menu depended on what was available, which meant it changed often. Wild West saloons didn't have reliable supply chains or cold storage. What they had was ingenuity, salt, and fire. The most dependable dish was beans. Beans of all sorts. Pinto beans, navy beans, beans with pork, beans with onions, sometimes beans with molasses. And on rare, glorious occasions, beans with all of the above. They were boiled slowly in blackened pots over open flames or iron stoves.